What should we do today?
I don't know. Wait, I know. You will go pull the fire alarm and I will go lie to the teacher. Ha 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 ha.
Oh yeah, that will work. Let's do this. Meanwhile.
I'm so glad I completed the test.
Yeah, I know, so let's. Oh no. It's the fire alarm. Let's evacuate, now.
Oh no, that is so scary. Washington, hey.
At the field behind the school.
There's probably someone who had pulled the fire alarm.
I'm not sure about that, so let's wait.
We have checked the security cameras, and the alarm was false. And I want to have Lizzie and Mr. Hermandez come to my office, because they did all of this.
What? Thanks for telling me all about this. Lizzie and Mr. Hermandez are going to be in such deep trouble.
So what am I here for? Mr. Hermandez and Lizzie, I looked at the security cameras, and you two have pulled the fire alarm and accusing someone pulling it. That's it. Mr. Hermandez, for lying to the teacher, you are having detention for 2 days. And Lizzie, since you pulled the fire alarm, you are suspended for 10 days. Now go home now, while I call your parents.
At Lizzie's home. Lizzie, how dare you pull the fire alarm with Mr. Hermandez and lie to the teacher? That's it. You are grounded for a month. Go to your room now. Washington, at Mr. Hermandez's home.
Mr. Hermandez, how dare you pull down the fire alarm with Lizzie and lie to the teacher? That's it. You are grounded for a month. Go to your room now. Washington, hey.